Okay, so the Karachi bun kebab. It is a street food snack of wonders, and it is just amazing to watch them as they make it. It takes you some time to even figure out, he does it so unbelievably fast, it takes you some time to even process what even happens. But there's a pan of, I believe that they're little vegetable patties, mini sliders. And then he has this pan of what looks like foam, but they said it's whipped up egg white. So he grabs one of the patties, sticks it with his hand into the pan of egg white foam, and then drops it into the oil into a little patty. And so the little like vegetable patty is within the foam egg, and then it fries in oil. And he does that until the entire pan is full. Once the entire pan is full, he remembers where he added the first one and then starts flipping them. And when he flips them, you can see that the little patty is beneath that egg foam. And it almost looks like a completely like new form, like a molecular gastronomy fried egg, but instead of a yolk, you have that little patty, and then. The second part of the bun kebab is the bun itself, and it just is a straight up bun, but they add some oil to the hot griddle. They just let it sizzle in the oil until it just toasts perfectly. And then, oh, you gotta lets it toast until it's perfectly golden. Then he adds on some chutney onto that bun, and then he adds on some onions, and then he adds on the little patty, and it then just wraps it up like a burger. That is a Karachi bun kebab, one of the ultimate Karachi Pakistani street food snacks. It's so beautiful to watch them as they make it. They do it in such like precision. They could do it with their eyes closed. And we got some fresh bun kebabs to try, Karachi bun kebabs. It looks like a completely new form of a fried egg. Oh, yeah, deconstructed and with a little patty inside instead as the yolk. And then it's just a perfect little handheld creation. And let's just try it first before we dunk it into the chutney. Cheers. Cheers. And by the way, it's vegetarian, but you would not even know. Oh, really? It's vegetarian. That tastes like a lentil patty. And then that's like the foamiest, like fluffiest deep fried egg. And that's questionable chutney. Okay, we gotta dip it into this chutney and some of those onions as well. I'm just gonna dunk the entire thing in there, in that chutney. In one swipe, I got like half the chutney on the plate. That is a beautiful thing. We found out from the owner that the little patty is a mixture of minced beef and some kind of a lentil, right? Okay, actually the lentils really come in nicely, but it's actually not that much meat, but you do taste a little bit of the ground beef, but mostly lentils. It has that like creamy lentil taste. Chutney boys. Chutney boys. Done. Done.